Hello guys, how to remove all viruses from your machine, your laptop, your computer with just one command. Viruses which delay your operation in your laptop, or the viruses which damage your Word files or your videos files or your pictures or your Excel files, different files. So example, these files, this file which disappear all thumbnails, so I don't know this video for what. I to know the video, I hope to I wish I must open all the videos, and this wastes my time, delay operations. So how to overcome this? Just open CMD, the prompt, and press this line of command, this one, attrib -h -r -s/s/d. We here put the drive which you need to clean all the viruses from it, or the inserted files, the hacking files, the damaging files. These all inserted by the virus will be deleted. So all this, deleting all this, as you see here. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me, and I will reply with you with the best answer as soon as possible. Press like for the video, you don't lose anything, and share the video with others, and subscribe to the channel to reach every important videos we upload. And thanks for watching.